Okay, so welcome all of you. Welcome to this first paper analysis session of GATE 2023. So in this session we will be discussing 4th February afternoon session, 4th February afternoon session question paper, memory based paper, question paper questions we will be analyzing here. So this is equally useful for all GATE aspirants. Those who completed the exam last week, to check the answer key you can use this session, and those who are about to write the exam, that is about to write the exam on 11th February or 12th February, you will be exactly understanding the model of questions which came in the last 2 days, last four exams, that is 4th and 5th February. 4 exams were conducted forenoon and afternoon. The general aptitude section, if you are understanding it, that will help a lot to know the type of questions and which all questions or which all area to cover or revise more to score easily. So please invite all your friends, share it, share the link to maximum people. ये session सारा streams के लिए common है, सारा engineering streams, सारा pure science streams. This session is equally useful. ये हमारा GATE complete course recently we completed. Complete free courses available in this channel. The playlist is there in the description of this video, and there is a Telegram channel where we post daily free study materials, quizzes, and this course also with the free study materials we have provided the complete course. So those of you want to access all the free study materials and watch all those lectures, you can be part of the Telegram channel described in this description, and also you can subscribe this channel and check out the playlist to get all those videos. For the new people, this is the bio of me. My name is Christy Varghese. I'm an author, aptitude trainer, and one of the top educators in Unacademy platform also. I have trained more than 1 lakh aspirants for GATE exam, CSIR-NET exam, Vedic maths, etc. More details of mine is given here. The mobile application Christy's classes you can download from Play Store to get more free study materials and update of my free classes. There's a WhatsApp group also where you can be part of and be part of the daily discussions, and you can be you can ask your doubts and clear the doubts also by being part of the WhatsApp group, Telegram channel, and Telegram group. There's a general Telegram channel also, and there is a specific Telegram channel only for GATE. The description of that channel is there in the description of the details of the channel is there in the description of this video. And these are the books I have written for general aptitude, and this is details of the GATE exam which is happening now. This is a full syllabus for all GATE aspirants. General aptitude syllabus is common, so everyone general aptitude classes are common. 29 subjects are there in GATE. All 29 subject का general aptitude section common है, whether it is engineering streams, pure science streams, all subjects general aptitude stream is common. Sorry, general aptitude paper, type of question and level of difficulty more or less same only. But 8 question paper are there because exam is conducted in 8 different time slots. Only because of that different question papers are there. So today we are discussing 4th February afternoon question paper, that is mechanical engineering, and one more subject had the same question paper. That question paper we are discussing. Let us start with a simple question. Try this question, data interpretation question which was there. Preeti, I will be discussing 2 question paper together in the Unacademy platform tomorrow, and that will be taken in this YouTube channel also. Two minutes I will give you, all of you try. After that I will start explaining. Try it. Any answers? Not very difficult. You have to carefully read the question, that's all. Okay, any answers? Try it. After that I will explain. B option some of you got. Let's see. Okay, so a certain country has 404 universities, and I think it is, and yeah, let me clarify once again. This is memory based questions that is sent by students. Yes, Omkar, we will be discussing questions of mechanical engineering that, yeah, in the Unacademy platform also we have discussed most of them. Yeah, most of them we have discussed in the 2 p.m. class. So a certain country has 504 universities and 25951 colleges. These are categorized into grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 as shown in the given pie charts. What is the percentage of higher education institutions, colleges and universities that fall into grade 3? Grade 3, in universities it is 7%. 7% of what? 504 universities total है ना, तो 504 universities का 7% होगा. This will be 504 percentage as 7%. 504 universities. And colleges will be how much? 23% of the total number of colleges. Total number of colleges कितना है? 25,951. 25,951 colleges, 23% of that. You need to find those two. You need to find those two. And when you find it, you will get 35.28 and 5968.73. Virtual calculator is there. You can use virtual calculator to do this. Or estimation, if you are good with mental math, estimation can also be done. So almost 36 and almost 5970. ये दो values add करना है, but remember question is asking percentage of higher education institutions that fall into grade 3. That means grade 3 total divided by total into 100. So grade 3, when you add these two, you will get almost 6,006 by total into. Total will be how much? Listen carefully. Total will be 504 plus 25951 into 100. Use virtual calculator to do that steps. So 6,006 divided by 25,000 plus 500. That is 26,000 something. 26,500 approximately, or 26,456 into 100. Virtual calculator use करके इसको simplify किया तो 0.2269 into 100 22.7% मिलेगा approximately. 22.7 option B. Please respond all of you, understood this or not. Grade 3 number of people, sorry, not number of people, number of educational institution divided by total number of educational institutions in the country into 100 is what we need. X by total into 100. So option B is the correct answer. If that is clear, try the next question. Yeah, this question was a very simple question. A Sudoku game question we need to do here. It was asked in this question paper. 2 minutes to try. All of you try, please. Okay, the image is hidden now. Just a minute, I will change the position of the image. Sorry. Okay. Very good. Some of you already got an answer. Let's see whether it is right. The symbols circle, star, triangle and square be filled one in each box as shown below. The rules for filling in the four symbols are as follows. Every row and every column must contain each of the four symbols. Just like Sudoku game, every number should be there in each row. Na? And every 2 by 2 square delineated by the 2 by 2 square it is mentioned. Na? Delineated by bold lines must contain each of the four symbols. Okay, question is saying that 2 by 2 square. Now, okay, I initially when I read the question, I read it wrong. Here the question is saying every 2 by 2 square. That means this 2 by 2 square, I think they mean, must contain each of the four symbols. So that is the rule, not row wise. Every row and column also must contain the four symbols. That is also there. And this is also should be satisfied. This 2 by 2 squares should be containing four symbols. Okay, let us satisfy that. So first of all, yeah, this row and column itself finishes the question. Na? Row and column itself finishes the question. Ye dekho, when I was discussing this question in the class also, students also were mentioning an easy way. That itself is enough. Look at this. Star is here, here and here. That means star is in this column and this column. Na? Sorry, star is in this column and this column. So star is missing in this column. So this question mark or this one should be star. But star cannot be here because star is already in this row. Star cannot be here because star is already in this row. So star should be here. Na? Are you all understanding this? Why star should be here? Star should be here so that every row contains star, every column contains star. Ye column mein star hai, ye row mein bhi star hai. If you place star anywhere in this column, that will violate. If you put star here, already star is here, na? If you put star here, already star is here, na? If you put, so that is why star can only be put in this row, and that is enough to say that. And if you want to see the entire arrangement, this is one way to arrange it. and every conditions are satisfied. Every 2 by 2 row also, 2 by 2 table also is covering all 4 symbols. That condition is also satisfied. All of you are understanding? But that is not necessary. ऐसा करना ज़रूरी नहीं है, because you can use elimination techniques. So if that is clear, try this question. This is another interesting question. ये same type का question last year, last to last year में भी था, function related question. All of you try this. Vijaya, it is not like that, but practicing this you will get an idea what all gate is more concentrating this time. Same question repeat करने के लिए नहीं, but similar pattern questions आया तो अच्छा है. But practicing, for practicing, primarily think that this is for your practice. उसके बाद same type का question, if you are lucky you may get, but not sure. But what CSIR have done, what in GATE exam, normally what is seen is, in verbal ability and all, sometimes, like if in one question paper they ask a vocabulary question, they will ask something different, but vocabulary itself they will ask in the other papers also. So that kind of patterns are there. Some of you already got an answer. Wonderful. All of you try. Okay, so I'll explain. Consider the following inequalities: p square minus 4q less than 4, 3p plus 2q less than 6, where p and q are positive integers. p and q are positive integers, ये बहुत ही important है. p, q दोनों positive integers है. Positive numbers नहीं, positive integers. That means they can be 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. They are the positive integers now. That means 0 is not possible. So the minimum possibility for p is 1 and minimum possibility for q is 1. Now we are trying to prove that combinations of p and q is less than 4. So let us take the minimum possibility and start trying. That is a better way. Trial and error method. P square means 1 square minus 4 into 1 less than 4. P square 1 square minus 4 into 1. Is it less than 4? Yes, 1 minus 4. 3 is less than 4. So ये condition satisfy कर रहा है P and Q 1 है तो 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1, is it less than 6? 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 less than 6, वो भी satisfy कर रहा है ना. Now listen very carefully. So P equal to 1, Q equal to 1 satisfy कर रहा है, so P plus Q2 possible है. But how we can say P1 Q1 only is possible? That you can understand from this. Look at this. ये 6 से कम होना चाहिए, एक सम है. The minimum possible positive integer है तो ये 5 आ रहा है. So if you are taking anything more than 1, this won't be less than 6. It will be more than or equal to 6. For example, P का value 2 है तो p का value 2 है तो 3 into 2 plus 2 is not less than 6. It is more than 6. That is not satisfying. Are you understanding? इसलिए p का value 1, q का value 1 only is possible. So p plus q 2 is the answer. Now some of you may be thinking, why can't we take 0? Because positive integers is mentioned. 0 is not a positive integer. It is a neutral integer. Are you all understanding? Pushparaj, we are discussing that. Please wait. We are discussing that question. All questions or 9 questions in this paper we got memory based questions. Students have sent or from internet we have got. So that questions we are discussing. In that the question you mentioned also is there. Exactly, Preeti. Sabko clear hai na? So p plus q 2 is the correct answer. Brief solution I am providing here. You can download the solution from my Telegram channel. In the description of this video you have access to Telegram channel, and all the previous study materials are available in the Telegram channel with 50 lecture free videos or 50 lecture full length course lecture videos are also available there free of cost. You can use that. Yeah, this was the question you were asking now, Pushparaj. Verbal ability, this was the question asked in the mechanical engineering paper. All paper, similar questions you may get. So make a try based on grammar. Sorry, this was in the other set. Okay, this I will come back to, Pushparaj. This is nearly will be the answer. This is in the other set. We will first complete the mechanical engineering questions itself. So this question was there in the memory based question students mentioned. Make a try, all of you. Clock problem. Yes, Vijaya, that is what I told now. It was in the other set, morning set. The playlist link of the full length course I have tagged in the chat. You can access it. New students who are new to this platform, we have completed a full free course, complete free course with free study materials. The link is available in the live chat. In the comments also I will tag the link and share it with maximum people, especially those who have exam on 11th and 12th. Before that, let them practice or revise the chapters they want from the playlist. So share it to maximum people, maximum groups, and spread the word. It's a complete free course. Already about 40,000 views are there for that course. Let us make it big and share it to maximum people, and let more people join the free initiative. It's a complete free initiative we have done, where 50 lectures covering complete syllabus is provided there. Some of you already got an answer. Let's see whether it is right. The minute hand and second hand of a clock cross each other. dash times between 9:15 and 9:45 a.m. Again, here I am not sure whether the exact wording is like this. Memory based questions these are. So slight changes in the wordings also may result in a different answer. By this, what is the meaning? I will just give you an idea. Just a minute, I will share you an image also, then it will be easy. I'll just copy an image so that it is easy to explain. Okay, do one thing. By that time, you can try the next question. By that time, you can try the next question. I will come to this question. Try this, all of you. This is a very simple question. Analogy problem was asked. Make a try. Tomorrow also we will have these paper analysis session. The next question paper we will be discussing tomorrow. Try this, and both these questions together we will discuss. Very good. Some of you already got an answer. Okay, very good. Most of you got an answer. Let's see whether it is right. So, yeah, I just copied an image for the previous question. Now we will explain both the questions. Okay, listen. B option and D option, some of you got. Let's see which is correct among them. So, planting is to seed, same as raising is to dash. If the same word planting seed is there, the meaning is we plant a seed and we try to grow it, right? Just like a raising of a child is done. Seed is planted and child is raised. Are you getting? The best option among the four will be child. Again, memory based wordings. So if this is the exact question, the best choice will be child itself. Like a seed is planted and grown, and a child is raised, raising a child. Planting a seed, raising a child. So option D is the better choice. Sabko clear hai ye? Please respond how option D is the answer. Now coming back to that clock problem, I have put an image for you to understand. Minute hand and second half of a clock cross each other. How many times between 9:15 and 9:45? 9:15 means something like this, na? 9:15. Hour hand and minute hand will be something like this. But second hand will start from here. Are you all understanding? Second hand, in 1 minute, second hand will cover a full circle. A full circle cover karega na. But in that minute, the hour minute hand only will cover from here to here. 9:15 to 9:16. 9:15 to 9:16 tak. Second hand one full circle cover karega. Minute hand will cover only 1 minute division. मतलब इसके बीच में definitely second hand will cross our hand ना. Somewhere in between these two points definitely minute hand will cross. So one time it will be crossed between 9:15 to 9:16. Are you understanding? Similarly 9:16 to 9:17. 9:16 to 9:17 this much minute hand will cover, but second hand will make a full circle. So one more time. That means every minute it will happen one. Finally 9:45. 9:45 is something like this. There also it will happen, na? So 9:44 to 9:45. There also one time. So how many instances are there? How many instances are there? Yeah, there you should be careful. This is 1, 2, 3. So 9:15 to 9:45. There will be 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So 30 instances will be there. 30 full minutes are there, na? हर मिनट में एक बार, so 30 minutes में 30 बार, so 30 times will be the answer. Again, disclaimer, if the question is exactly like this, 30 is the answer. If there is something more or something less in the question, answer may change. So according to the memory based paper analysis, 30 should be the correct answer. सबको clear है ये? Please respond how 30 is the correct answer. Because every minute second hand minute hand will cross, or second hand will cross minute hand. That is why in 30 minutes 30 times they will cross. Good question it was. If so, let's see the verbal ability again. Two more questions were there. One narrative sequencing question, that is a comprehension variety itself, and another typical comprehension question also was there. So make a try, all of you. Memory based wordings, please analyze it and answer it. Some of you already got an answer. Very good. Okay, so I'll explain. Which one of the following sequence in the given option creates a coherent narrative? Coherent narrative means a logical narrative. So, मतलब order करना है ये चार sentences को. What order? Like a story. These are four different parts of a story. You have to order them in the correct order. That's it. So carefully listen. Let us take option by option. Is it 3124? The passage was dark a bit, but it suddenly opened into a bright kitchen. Then after 3, is it 4? Sorry, after 3, is it 1? I could not bring myself to knock. Then is it 2? There was a number of unfamiliar voices. Number of or a murmur of, I doubt. Again, memory based wording, some spelling mistakes or some mistakes can be there. So there was a number of unfamiliar voices coming from a big drawing room and the door was firmly shut. After that, is it 4? I decided I would rather wander down the passage. Again, that order there is less chance to happen because that is not making any sense. The story is not making any sense. Let us check option B. There was a number of unfamiliar voices coming from the big drawing room and the door was firmly shut. So that means due to many voices, yeah, this is like a ghost story or something I am feeling. We don't know the context. What is this passage or from where this story is taken, passage is taken, that we don't know. But still we have to make up a story. That is a question. So बहुत unfamiliar voices आ रहा था ड्राइंग रूम से एंड डोर बहुत फर्मली शट था, इसलिए वो नॉक नहीं किया. ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू नॉक. मे बी ही वॉज अफ्रेड, मे बी वी आर गेसिंग. So 2 के बाद 1 आना totally possible है ना. After 2, 1. Then 4, is it possible? I decided to wander rather, sorry, I decided I would rather wander down the passage. Knock करके अंदर जाने के बदले he did what? He decided to walk through the passage or through that way. That is making sense, na? He did not knock and he started to wander around the passage. Finally, is it possible 3 after that? The passage was dark a bit, but then it suddenly opened into a bright kitchen. Yeah, he started walking through the passage. Passage थोड़ा dark था, लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम बाद एक bright kitchen देखा. या थोड़ा दूर बाद he was able to see a passage, sorry, open to a bright kitchen. So that is why 2143 is the correct order. Thank you, Abdul Rahman. मेरा हिंदी इतना fluent nahi hai, but hope you are understanding when I am using it. Okay, so anyway 2143 is the correct order. Is this clear or not? Please respond. 2143. Maybe Shruti, a movie story, ghost movie story maybe, or maybe not ghost movie story, some random story. So anyway, that was the question in the mechanical engineering general aptitude paper. So option B appears to be better. Okay, this was the comprehension passage, but I think there is some mistakes in the passage, as it was memory, as it is the memory based version only. When the official question paper comes, we will get a more clear idea. But with this passage itself, you try. Maybe minor mistakes which we can avoid, but try it anyway. Okay, some of you got C option, D option. Let's see. In a recently held parents-teachers meeting, the teachers had very few complaints about Ravi. That means they didn't had much complaints about Ravi. After all, Ravi was hardworking and kind student. Because Ravi was hardworking and kind. Incidentally, almost all of Ravi's friends at school were hardworking and kind too. Again, here almost all and all are different. Almost all means not everyone, maybe 99% of them, but not all. So if the option D is almost all of Ravi's friends, then that is a correct choice. But if it is all of Ravi's friends, that, as I told, as it is memory based wordings, we cannot get a confirmation whether it is all of or almost all. Are you all understanding? So in this context, some of Ravi's friends are hardworking and kind, we can infer with certainty. But if the option almost all is there, that is a better choice. So I am not confirming the answer because we are not sure exact question is like this. If the exact question is like this, among the 4 options, some of Ravi's friends is the better option. If almost all was there in an option, that is a better choice. So that is what I can say about this question. Did you all understood? Please respond. The remaining sentences does not matter for the given options. because question says that almost all of Ravi's friends at school were hardworking and kind too. But the teachers drew attention to Ravi's complete lack of interest in sports. Now there is the next problem that Ravi is not very interested in sports. Teachers believe that along with some of his friends who show similar disinterest in sports, Ravi needed to engage in some sports for his overall development. So teachers believe that Ravi and the friends who are not interested in sports should show some interest in sports so that it will help in their overall development. So वो sentence related एक question is options नहीं है. None of Ravi's friends are interested in sports भी गलत है, because Ravi needed to, some of his friends is mentioned, so option B is also wrong. No one who is not a friend of Ravi is hardworking and kind. वो हमें पता नहीं है ना, that is not mentioned in the passage at all. So C and D only chances are there. C is the better choice if option D is saying all of Ravi's. If the option D is saying almost all, that is a better choice. So accordingly you can decide if it is almost all or some. Let the official question paper comes, then only we will get the confirmation what was there in the question paper. So try this. Another grammar question was there in the question paper. Make a try. And all of you, please share this video to maximum people, maximum groups, especially those who are preparing for this weekend's exam. Seeing this paper analysis, they will be able to revise properly, able to know which all chapters questions are more important. So please share it, and those who attended this mechanical engineering question paper, to them also please share it, because they will be able to check their answer key. So to all GATE aspirants, even GATE 2024 aspirants, this session will be useful for their practice. I didn't understand, Abdul Rahman. Okay, most of you got the answer. Let's see. He did not manage to fix the car himself, so he dashed in the garage. वो कार खुद फिक्स नहीं किया, तो वो गैराज जाके फिक्स किया. मतलब क्या फिक्स किया? कार को फिक्स किया. So definitely got it fixed is necessary. Got fixed means what fixed? Got him fixed or got car fixed. So definitely option C is wrong. Gets fixed, again grammatically itself is wrong. Getting fixed, getting it fixed, continuous tense, present continuous, or getting is not possible. This should be in past because he did not is mentioned. So getting it is a continuous tense, that is wrong. It should be got it fixed. So elimination was enough. Did you all understood how we use elimination there? Yeah, I always tell in the class there are at least 15 methods to do general aptitude questions, whether it is verbal or non-verbal. मेरा 50 lecture complete course में I was explaining with these 15 methods, shortcut approaches. So you can also learn with that complete course, especially those who are preparing for upcoming GATE exams or any other exams. You can follow this playlist. The link is available in the chat and in the comments. So elimination techniques, at least 5 ways of eliminating is there. Elimination by substitution, selected statement, related option, analyzing option, observing and interpreting figures. So this power of elimination or power of negative thinking, we can say. Sometimes power of negative thinking is more than power of positive thinking. Okay, more about all those things we have discussed in the complete course. Those who are new to my classes, check out the Telegram channel, check out the playlist link also to learn general aptitude for free. Okay, so that was the 8th question. This is the 9th question, but I am not sure whether the question is exactly same. Those who attended this test, can you please comment in the live chat and in the comment section whether the question is exactly like this, because I am seeing 2 versions of this question. Some question papers say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Some question papers say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some question papers say different sentences about that subsets. So anyway, if anyone have written this exam, please tell me whether this was the exact question. That is why I was keeping this question to the end of the class. Memory question को कौन से thinking से select करें? Right. Memory question. Memory question means ये question actually students ने exam के बाद out of memory they have sent it. What they memorized from the exam hall they have sent it. That is what we are discussing. Okay, ये question किसी को पता है ये question exactly ऐसा था या ये question में कुछ difference था? Anyone who attended the exam or anyone who got a version of this question paper online, please mention. Once the official question paper comes, I will take one more session on this question paper itself. And one more thing, those who are attending the session live or recorded, do hit the like button if the session is useful. That will help YouTube to share this video to maximum people or show this video to maximum people, and that will help more people to join this session. So please hit the like button if the session was useful and do share it with maximum people. Yeah, question exactly ऐसा था. All of you please respond, or anyone. I have this version only na. Okay, Preeti. Okay, then if this is the version, with this itself we will make a try. If there is any errors, we will correct it when the official question paper comes. How many pairs of sets S, T are possible among the subsets of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? इसका कितना subsets होगा which satisfies the condition S is a subset of T? इसका कितना subsets होगा? That you have learned in school days, in 11th standard if you have taken mathematics. Anyone comment? How many subsets are there for this? Actually, that theory I have taught in permutation combination chapter. A salad problem we have discussed in the complete course, and also coin tossing problem. When a coin is tossed, how many different ways? 5 coins if it is tossed, what all are the possibility? 2 raised to 5. Similarly here 2 raised to 6 minus 1 we can say. Subsets will be 2 raised to 6 minus 1. How 2 raised to 6 minus 1? With 1 alone you can make a subset. With 2 alone you can make a subset. Up to 6 alone you can make a subset. That means 1 number alone you can make a subset 6 ways. With 2 numbers 1 2, 1 3, up to 1 6, then 2 3, 2 4, all those things. Total there will be 2 raised to 6 subsets, but one of those subsets is an empty set. Yeah, here there is a doubt whether null set should be considered. Mathematically speaking, null set in this case considering won't be correct, I guess. Null set we can avoid. If null set should be avoided, 2 raised to n minus 1. If null set should be considered, 2 raised to n. I will explain that in a different way also. Those who attended my permutation combination class, I have taught you another perspective. In the subset, whether 1 should be there, there are 2 choices for that. Na? Either to select 1 or not to select 1. Say yes or no, there are 2 choices. This number 1 can say that I want to be part of the subset or not want to be part of the subset. This idea I have elaborated in the detailed course. There you can check. And yes or no can be made for 2, the number 2 also. Are you all understanding? 2 ways for that also. For 3 also yes or no 2 choices. For 4 also yes or no 2 choices. 5 also yes or no 2 choices. 6 also yes or no 2 choices. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is how 2 raised to 6 comes. Don't by heart anything. 2 raised to n का reason ये है. But null set avoid करना है तो 2 raised to 6 minus 1 करना है. 11th standard NCERT textbook में ये idea है. You have already learned, those who have taken math in your 11th and 12th. Anyway, 2 raised to 6 subsets are there. Among the 2 raised to 6 subsets, 2 raised to 6 will be 64. That 64 subsets ka combination where S is a subset of T. S is a subset of T. That is what we need to find. Again, I will tell the idea of this question and leave it because I am not sure whether the question is exactly like this. Some people say this 5 was not there. Some people say 5 is there. Some people gave a different version of this question. So this question only I am not giving exact final solution, but I will tell that later. So anyway, I will continue this idea. So 64 possibilities are there. In the 64 possibility, as I told, these are the 64 possibilities. We need what? Pair of S and T, where S is subset of T. S subset होने के लिए, for example, if you are taking 1 is subset of 1 2, 1 is subset of 1 3, 1 is subset of 1 4. ऐसा कितना possibilities है? That is what we need to know. Like 1 itself, if you take 1 subset of क्या क्या elements है? 1 2 का है, 1 3 का है, up to 1 6 का है, then 1 2 3 का है, 1 3 4 का है, 1 3 5 का है, 1 3 6 का है, 1 4 5 का है, 1 5 6 का है. All those possibility we need to find it. Again, did you all understood the meaning of the question? So that way you can try. As I told, the question, there is lack of clarity whether the question is exactly like this. So with this idea I am stopping. Tomorrow we will continue with the next question paper. So 9 questions we have covered. 1 question I didn't got it from anyone. Only 9 questions I have received. What students have sent me and what was seen on different online sites. These were the 9 questions students have uploaded. So those questions I have discussed. But let me tell you once again, minor changes in the question also may lead to different option being correct. Let the official question paper comes. That time I will give one more detailed paper analysis with the official question paper. But for now, for those people who want to check the answer key and for those people who want to prepare for the upcoming exam, especially 11th and 12th February exam, for them this video will be very useful. So share it to maximum people, hit the like button if the session was useful, and comment on the video what you felt about the class, and comment on the video if there was any change in the question also, and comment on the video whatever you want to mention about any solution. Paper analysis session, this is the initial paper analysis session immediately after the exam. When the official question paper comes, we will have a more clear paper analysis session where I will give you free solutions of all these sessions. And if you felt these efforts taken by this channel is good, do spread the word, especially the playlist link. Please share it with maximum people. This is the details of that course, full length course we have covered. It is very useful for GATE 2024 also, in case any of your friends or any of you writing GATE 2024. Yeah, most of you are targeting 2023 exam, but in case any of your juniors or any of your friends or any of your relatives who are preparing for 2024 exam also, this playlist link, please share it with them. Let more people be part of the free initiatives, and let it be more encouraging for educators to take more free sessions like this or more free courses like this. Tomorrow 6 p.m. I am planning to take the next paper analysis. So invite more people for that next paper analysis session also, and be part of the free initiatives in the description of this video, and share it to maximum people. Let us complete the session here. Thank you all of you for attending the session, and take care all of you. Have a good day. Good night.